Former President Donald Trump has asked a judge to dismiss his criminal hush money case, citing a recent Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. His legal team argues that the evidence and testimony used in the trial, previously admissible but now restricted under the new ruling, unfairly influenced the outcome. In a detailed 52-page filing released on what was supposed to be his sentencing day, Trump's lawyers contend that prosecutors violated immunity guidelines by using evidence related to his official acts, including testimony from former White House aides. Defense attorneys Todd Blanche and Emil Bove argue that this use of official acts evidence constituted a serious error under the federal Constitution, affecting both the grand jury proceedings and the trial itself due to its implications for the presidency. Trump's legal team has formally requested the judge, Juan Merchan, to postpone his sentencing, originally scheduled for July 11th, until September 18th. They argue that the Supreme Court's immunity ruling profoundly impacts the New York case, which centers on actions Trump took as a presidential candidate to suppress negative information before the 2016 election. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office has until July 24th to respond to this request. The defense also highlights the testimony of former White House Communications Director Hope Hicks, emphasizing her interactions with Trump in 2018 regarding allegations of hush money payments. Trump's lawyers assert that Hicks's testimony should have been deemed inadmissible under the Supreme Court's ruling, as it involved discussions on official matters with the president. They further argue that Trump's tweets, used by prosecutors to allege improper conduct in 2018, are protected as official communications under presidential immunity. The defense team contests the district attorney's theory, claiming it impermissibly delves into Trump's motives while in office, a subject explicitly barred by the recent Supreme Court decision. In seeking dismissal of the case, Trump's lawyers argue that allowing it to proceed poses a threat to fundamental constitutional interests, particularly regarding a president's official actions. They conclude that the alleged harm caused by the district attorney's actions warrants the case's dismissal. Trump's legal strategy also extends to a federal case in Florida, where he faces allegations related to retaining classified documents after leaving office. Analysts interviewed by AI Broadcast expressed skepticism about the application of presidential immunity in the New York case, suggesting that the conduct in question primarily pertains to Trump's private actions during his candidacy rather than official presidential duties.